Hi guys, welcome back to Sam Tech Pro DIY team. Today I want to reveal what's inside the power bank, what we usually purchase from online stores. They are cheap, but what the manufacturer claims, it's not exactly that thing. This is a power bank, has all features just like other good power banks. What problem it has is actually it does not charge when last two digits of the battery are left. It charges only at first two digits. What could be the problem? I'll let you know. Here is the kit they use is of good quality as I have done with the checking. The kit is made of for power bank with 5 3.7 volt batteries as this power bank case is holding. There were only 2 cells out of 5 were connected to this kit. You know why? Let me tell you. Here we measure the voltage of the pair that was connected to the kit. We see it's okay. Here we got another one. These were 3. I removed one of them. And we measure the voltage 0.01. It's definitely false reading because of my fingers static. I thought these cells are dead and they just added these cells for increasing the weight of the power bank to make their fake product feels real. I checked these batteries with my lab bench power supply and well, I tried high voltage of obviously 16 volt is higher for these 3.7 volt batteries, and I released all of the current of my power supply. No charging, no conduction. That was strange. So I realized that these are not batteries. And here is the one that I already tiered and see what it is actually. What I'm gonna do right now, I see the plastic case, the plastic kind of cap onto the cylinder, and I'm gonna removing this cap and take a look inside. Of course it's not battery. This is just a cylinder we filled with something. And this is a kind of sand inside it. So it's not a battery. No way. No way at all. This is sand. I think this is a sand that is usually available near the you know rivers, beach or something. There are a lot of beach in China. This is the kit. Wow. Here on the case, the back case, it's written 20,000 milliampere hour, which is a false claim. 3.7 volt and 5 volts, two outputs of 1 ampere and 2 amperes, as there is written, and they wrote about the input voltage. So obviously false claim at all. I don't know why, but online market keeps selling fake products. I know they're cheap, but at least the sellers or manufacturer should not lie about its specification. Let's tier another one. I want to demonstrate you right now that it just looks like a real battery, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tear it down and I'll show you that this was the same thing, and there will be sand. Definitely there will be sand inside it. Let's see what quality of sand is inside it. Let's remove the wrap. They just made it look realistic. Right, this is the tape. Removing the wrapped tape, it has a metal cap first. Here we removed it. Now finally we got the plastic cap, and we remove it, and here comes the sand. Oh my gosh, same quality sand. I guess this was from only one beach. Should I send it to forensic lab or something? Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share this video, and so don't forget to subscribe our channel.